Prior to setup, ensure that you are using non-flammable material. After unpacking your sprayer, verify there is no damage to the top sealing edge of the flex liner, such as a crease or fold. If it's damaged, it will leak or lose prime. If undamaged, insert one flex liner into the cup support. To ensure an airtight seal, check to see if the cup lid seal is lubricated. Look into the cup lid. It's already been lubricated at the Graco factory. If the lubrication has been washed away, apply the included seal lube to the gasket. Firmly tighten the cup lid onto the cup support to ensure an airtight seal. Insert the funnel into the cup lid and twist to lock. Next, snap the strainer into the funnel to strain your paint as you fill the cup. Straining your paint helps keep your sprayer working and provides the best finish. The strainer's air tube will prevent paint from overflowing the cup. Fill the cup as follows. Watching the funnel, not the cup, slowly pour your paint into the funnel. When the paint stops draining down, the cup is full. If the paint stops draining but you can see the cup is not full, use a stir stick to scrape the captured debris on the top of the strainer until the paint resumes draining. With funnel and strainer still attached to the cup, pour any excess paint from the funnel back into the paint can. Remove the funnel and strainer from the cup and hook it on the edge of the paint can.